Welcome to techtide. Today, we're showcasing an amazing invention that's set to change the game. From groundbreaking tech to innovative designs, we'll dive into how this remarkable creation is pushing boundaries and transforming industries. Discover the features that make it stand out and the impact it's poised to have on our world. Get ready to be inspired by the ingenuity and brilliance behind this incredible invention. But here's a little secret for you. If you see this thumbnail and click, you'll uncover the amazing invention within the first 5 minutes. If this one catches your eye, you'll discover it in the next 5 minutes. And if this final thumbnail is what you choose, you'll find out in the last 5 minutes. Let us know in the comments which thumbnail you clicked and what you thought of the HaptX Gloves. HaptX Gloves G1, touted as the industry's most advanced haptic gloves, are now available in a lightweight, wireless design. Created by a team in the United States, these gloves are primarily aimed at companies rather than individual consumers. Given the hefty $5,500 price tag and an additional $500 monthly subscription, what makes HaptX Gloves G1 remarkable is their technology. Utilizing compressed air and hundreds of microdrives, they enable users to feel virtual objects, from apples to tools, as if they were real. The gloves are also compatible with Unity, Unreal Engine, and other software, unlocking new possibilities for collaborative work in virtual environments. Despite the innovation, some skeptics believe these gloves could follow the fate of the Power Glove, an unpopular NES controller that failed to catch on with consumers. Time will tell if the HaptX Gloves G1 will become a game changer or just another tech curiosity. Wehead. Video calls have become a staple of modern communication, but there's always been something missing. Until now. Enter Wehead, the groundbreaking device designed to transform video meetings into immersive, three-dimensional experiences. Wehead is the first of its kind, aiming to bring a new level of interaction to virtual communication. It's not just about seeing and hearing. Wehead mimics your head movements, creating a more natural and engaging connection. The device features 4 AMOLED displays that vividly project your face, while a 10-watt speaker and high-quality microphone ensure crystal-clear audio. What truly sets Wehead apart is its innovative camera placement, which enhances the feeling of eye-to-eye contact, fostering a deeper sense of presence and involvement. This isn't just a prototype. Wehead is already on the market, priced at $1,555, with the first batch expected to ship around March. Wehead is more than just a gadget. It's a leap forward in how we connect, making every virtual meeting feel more personal and interactive.
Hello.
Hi. What is your name?
Bro, my name is James. I'm your bro, remember?
AGRIST. Japan is known for its limited agricultural land, with only 12 to 15% of the country being suitable for farming. Coupled with the fact that the average age of Japanese farmers is 66, the challenge of maximizing land use becomes even more critical. To address these challenges, innovative robotic solutions like AGRIST are stepping in to revolutionize farming practices. AGRIST is a remarkable robot designed to assist with the labor-intensive task of harvesting. Showcased at CES 2023, it amazed attendees with its advanced artificial intelligence. Equipped with an array of cameras, this robot can harvest crops like bell peppers with incredible precision, down to 0.4 inches. But AGRIST doesn't just stop at harvesting. It also monitors crop growth, provides valuable insights, and offers tips to optimize farming practices. The robot operates on a wire system, making it suitable for virtually any farm without causing damage to the ground. In a country where land is scarce and the farming workforce is aging, AGRIST represents a significant step forward in ensuring sustainable and efficient agriculture for the future. UAV, Thailand's versatile aerial patrol drone. Our next highlight is a unique drone that initially confused users with its bike or scooter-like appearance. However, this intriguing design hides a powerful aerial vehicle. Manufactured in Thailand, this UAV is utilized by the Royal Thai Navy for various operations, including patrolling missions. Despite its unconventional look, the drone can carry up to 2 kilograms of cargo, fly distances of up to 50 kilometers, and achieve speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. Equipped with cameras, it provides effective surveillance, even during nighttime operations. Powered by a gasoline 2-stroke engine, this UAV boasts an impressive endurance, capable of running for 2.5 hours without the need for refueling. This combination of design, capability, and endurance makes it a valuable tool for military and security operations. Glux Kind. Glux Kind has revolutionized the baby stroller experience with a cutting-edge design that transforms an everyday walk into a breeze. Typical strollers can weigh over 22 pounds, making outings feel like a workout for many parents. Enter the Glux Kind Smart Stroller, a perfect companion for growing families. This innovative stroller is loaded with advanced technology, from a car-like parking brake to the powerful Ella twin engine system, designed to tackle uphill climbs effortlessly. For those moments when your hands are full, the stroller's autopilot feature, active only when the stroller is empty, takes control, while cameras and sensors enable remote navigation. To keep your little one calm, the stroller even offers automatic rocking and a built-in white noise generator. Priced at around $3,300, this game-changing stroller is set to begin shipping in April, offering parents an unmatched blend of convenience and peace of mind. Smog Free Tower. In a world where 9 out of 10 people breathe polluted air and megacities face pollution levels up to 5 times higher than safe limits, the smog-free tower emerges as a beacon of hope. This groundbreaking air purifier stands 7 meters tall and boasts an impressive cleaning capacity of 30,000 cubic meters per hour. Utilizing advanced ionization technology, it effectively captures even the tiniest dust particles, dramatically improving air quality. Not just functional, but also aesthetically pleasing, the smog-free tower is designed to blend into various environments without disrupting the view. Whether it's positioned in a city park or alongside towering skyscrapers, its sleek sculptural design ensures it complements its surroundings. Easily transportable and efficient, the smog-free tower represents a significant step forward in combating urban air pollution. Its innovative approach offers a practical and stylish solution to one of the most pressing environmental challenges of our time. Miroki. Introducing Miroki, an innovative robot designed to transform hospital operations. Developed in France, Miroki comes in 2 charming versions, Miroki Boy and Miroki Girl, inspired by Pixar animated films. These adorable, long-eared robots are more than just eye-catching. They offer practical assistance in healthcare settings. Miroki robots are engineered to ease the workload of nurses by handling tasks such as transporting patients, delivering food, and managing medical records. They understand commands like, "Put these items in their places," and can travel at speeds of up to 2 miles per hour. On a single charge, they can operate for up to 8 hours and handle a payload of about 7 pounds. Set to debut in a Parisian hospital in 2024, Miroki is also expected to find a place in schools, hotels, and nursing homes. With their unique design and versatile functionality, these robots promise to be valuable helpers in various environments. Formic Transport System. In a world where global trade hit a record $32 trillion last year, the efficiency of cargo handling is crucial. Enter the Formic Transport System, a game-changer in logistics. Each 6-wheeled robot in this system can carry up to 2.5 tons of cargo and can collaborate with other robots to handle even larger loads. The Formic robots have been tested in groups of up to 15, managing a combined weight of 37.5 tons. Equivalent to about 25 Renault Logan cars. This impressive capacity showcases their potential in high-demand environments. Despite their heavy lifting ability, these robots are remarkably user-friendly. One operator can control multiple units with ease using an intuitive remote control, allowing for precise movements and even spot turns. With the Formic Transport System, managing vast quantities of goods has never been easier or more efficient. Samsung Flex Hybrid. Samsung is pushing the boundaries of innovation with its latest Flex Hybrid technology, building on the success of devices like the Galaxy Z Fold. The Flex Hybrid introduces a groundbreaking approach that allows screens to both fold and twist. This technology enables the creation of devices that can seamlessly transform from compact smartphones into larger, laptop-sized screens. The Flex Hybrid features a 10.5-inch display with a 4.3 aspect ratio that can expand to 12.4 inches with a 16.10 aspect ratio, offering users unparalleled versatility. Although Samsung has yet to announce a release date, the potential of this technology is evident in the stunning concepts and insider leaks. Experts and enthusiasts alike are excited about the possibilities, though some humorously speculate that these advanced devices might seem outdated within just 5 years. Nevertheless, the Flex Hybrid represents a bold leap forward in screen technology and design, setting the stage for a new era of adaptable and dynamic devices. The Super Velio. Introducing the Super Velio, a groundbreaking innovation designed to support the early development of children aged 10 to 24 months. According to its creators, this advanced ride-on toy is set to make a significant impact on enhancing balance and coordination in young children. The Super Velio features an adjustable seat, a 15mm foam layer for added comfort, and a low seating position that encourages exploration and interaction with the environment. Weighing in at just under 3 kilograms, it's notably lighter and easier to maneuver than traditional strollers. Priced at $200, the Super Velio offers a new approach to early childhood mobility, combining practicality with developmental benefits to support your child's growth in a fun and engaging way. City Glider. Meet the City Glider, an innovative shoe concept from Singapore that's poised to redefine urban commuting. As more people opt for walking over crowded public transport, the need for comfortable and efficient footwear has never been greater. The City Glider introduces a creative design with an integrated pneumatic system that enhances stride length, allowing users to walk 10% farther with each step. This design not only increases walking efficiency, but also helps reduce foot and shin pain, making it an ideal choice for those navigating city streets. While the concept promises a transformative commuting experience, it's still uncertain whether it will advance to production. Keep an eye out for future updates on this exciting development in urban footwear. Grivel G22 Plus. For the adventurous souls who take rock climbing to new heights, the Grivel G22 Plus crampons are a game changer. Ideal for routes that mix rock and ice, these crampons offer exceptional stability and performance. With their interchangeable front points, the G22 Plus adapts seamlessly to varying terrains, ensuring climbers have the right tool for every challenge. Weighing just 926 grams per pair, they strike the perfect balance between robustness and lightweight design. Priced at $245, the Grivel G22 Plus is a valuable investment for climbers seeking reliability and versatility in their gear. Whether you're a seasoned climber or a passionate beginner, these crampons are built to elevate your climbing experience. Introducing the BMW Vision DEE, a groundbreaking concept car that sets the stage for BMW's vision of digital mobility. Slated for a potential market release in 2025, this vehicle blends futuristic aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, evoking comparisons to the Tesla Cybertruck and a Hot Wheels toy. While detailed specs remain under wraps, BMW teases an array of smart features, including a self-learning digital assistant, a full-width windshield projection display, and augmented reality options. The steering wheel features a touchpad for intuitive control, and an innovative e-paper technology allows the owner to customize the car's color across 240 segments. The promotional video, humorously featuring the original Terminator, underscores the blend of engineering prowess and futuristic innovation. With these advancements, the BMW Vision DEE promises a new era of driving that seamlessly integrates technology and style. Did this futuristic marvel bring a smile to your face? Terraglide. Meet the Terraglide electric recumbent trike, a groundbreaking innovation in personal transportation. Designed for both comfort and efficiency, this electric trike combines cutting-edge technology with a unique recumbent design to deliver an unparalleled riding experience. The Terraglide stands out with its sleek, aerodynamic frame and electric assist system. It features a high-capacity battery that provides impressive range and power, ensuring you can tackle long distances effortlessly. The recumbent seating position offers exceptional comfort, reducing strain on your back and joints. Equipped with advanced suspension and responsive steering, the Terraglide navigates various terrains with ease, from smooth city streets to rugged trails. Its intuitive controls and integrated digital display keep you informed and in control, enhancing your ride every step of the way. Perfect for daily commutes or leisure rides, the Terraglide electric recumbent trike promises a blend of performance, comfort, and style. Experience the future of personal transportation with this innovative and versatile trike. Hyundai M.VISION. At CES 2023, Hyundai Mobis unveiled their visionary concepts for the future of mobility, showcasing the M.VISION series. Two standout models were revealed, the M.VISION 2 and the M.VISION HI. M.VISION 2 is an autonomous shuttle that emphasizes transparency and connectivity. With extensive glass surfaces, it provides passengers with real-time information such as stops and directions. The shuttle integrates augmented reality, radar, LiDAR, and cameras, while its electric motor and wheels capable of 90-degree turns enhance maneuverability and efficiency. M.VISION HI takes the concept a step further with a focus on luxury and entertainment. It features larger seats, windows fitted with displays, and amenities like movie watching and online shopping capabilities, all while maintaining the autonomous functionality of the M.VISION 2. Both models highlight Hyundai Mobis' innovative approach to future transportation, blending advanced technology with enhanced passenger experience. While they represent exciting developments in mobility, their practicality and robustness will be key factors in their future adoption.